And we're going to talk about submitting that offer, email versus high note. How many of you guys only submit offers via email? Wow, I'm the only one. How many only submit offers via high note? How many of you both submit offers apparently? Okay, great, awesome. Emma, I love your honesty. Thank you. So email versus high note. What we're gonna talk about some pros and cons for both. They both have their pro sides, their plus sides. We're gonna figure out what works best for you. You know, there's a certain point where you might not want to submit either an email or a high note. You have to read the room. There's going to be certain agents that will do better with high note. There's going to be certain agents that will get very confused by high note. Like what's that agent out in Santee with the fax machine? Ron Durrett. Yes. If you're dealing with him, you might be better faxing your offer over. But photocopy it, scan it, and then fax it. But there's going to be certain agents, old school agents, that might get a little bit confused by a high note. It's not going to be for everybody. And of course, no matter how you're submitting an offer, follow up on your offer, follow up on your offer. Don't just submit an offer, follow up on your offer. Super important. Yes.
If they have 2 zeros under DRE number,
yes.
Don't use high note.
There you go. I like that. I like that. Huh? Oh, if they have 2 zeros at the beginning of their DRE number, do not submit a high note to them.
Unless they have an assistant. Then, yeah.
And there's no way to tell if they have an assistant, so don't submit a high note. So going over the email offers, it's funny. It's been about a year since Kyle emailed out. So I don't know if you're still submitting it using the same template or not, but this is a great template that I've been using. We'll put it up online. We can resend it to everybody. But it's a very simple, straightforward, to the point offer. It gets the job done. It uses direct language. There's no extra fluff. And this simplicity can work in your favor with certain agents. If you have an agent, maybe you're not going up against 15, 20 offers. You just need to get a good, clean, well-written offer to an agent. Email is a very good way to go. Very clean opening. We're super excited to present the attached offer for you for this home. I have attached the buyer's proof of funds along with a copy of a letter they prepared for the seller to tell them a little bit more about who they are and what they love about the home. Below are the essentials of the offer. Super simple. That's it. Once in a while, if we are getting a little bit competitive, I'll put in a personal note about the buyer, give them a paragraph, a little bit of fluff, a little bit of a personal love letter about the buyers. That has helped for me before. A little bit of begging. It works sometimes. But then you've got all the very simple essentials of the offer here: price, finance, inspection, loan, close of escrow. You could even put in the appraisal contingency, contingency for sale, and concessions. All very simple. Most important, please email me back or call text to confirm receipt. It's down at the bottom, but it's amazing. It works every time. You'll almost always get an email or a text confirmation that they received the offer. And there's the first step of your follow-up to knowing that they actually received that offer. So
making a PDF of this also and putting it as page 1 or 2 of the RPA is also really great.
I like that.
Because when they save the offer and go back to it, I don't need to read it. Also, when they send it to the client, it's way easy for the client to pull these few things out and say, oh, that's an easy offer to read.
Awesome. Awesome.
So putting that as page 1 is great too.
I like that. If anybody didn't hear that, making a PDF copy of this the way I did this here, taking a screenshot, creating a PDF of it, and putting that in with the RPA as well, something that the client and the seller can see easily, so they aren't looking through page 13 of the RPA before they see the numbers. So really awesome idea. Thank you.